making a video here on a game called Five Nights at Freddy's, and it's supposed to be pretty scary, so let's see. 12 a.m. first night. Let's see how this goes. So yeah. Okay, got it. Nope, nobody there. Cool. So let's see what we can do. Nobody's there. Nope. 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 Okay. Safe. That's good. This is pretty freaky. Okay. Okay, I gotta wind up this. Oh god. What does this do? Oh. So, I basically got trapped by my boss, and I've got to survive the nights. Brilliant. Love it. Not going so well? That's freaky. Nope, nobody's there. Nope. Okay, that one's freaking me out. Are they still all there? Okay, that's good. I need to learn the cameras. Okay. These three are the main ones I need to look at. Okay, I hate this game. Hurry up. God, this is taking forever. God, I'm so dead. Okay, now I'm stopping now. No, nobody in there. Nobody in there. Okay, so I'm still safe, I guess. Nope. Okay, still safe.
Hello.
What the fudge? Okay, I heard a hello, so that freaked me out a bit. Okay, so everybody's still there. Am I safe? Okay, I'm pretty safe. Okay, I'm in the dark by myself playing Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm so happy. Wait a second. No. God, why do I have to do this job? This is freaking me out a bit. Am I safe? Safe. 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 That's good. Okay, I'm doing quite well. I hate my job. Why do I have to be the security guard? How long do I have to do this for? Okay. What's that? Oh god. One in there? No. God, there's one in there? No. There? Hello. That's pretty freaky. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm pretty sure they put them to sleep. Fuck's sakes. Okay. I'm just gonna put this in. Is she still there? God, where is she? Okay. I think I have to wind this up all the time. Right. So I'm holding it. Nope, nobody's there. Okay, that's good. Is there anybody in here? Nope. Yeah, nope. Yeah, nope. Okay. Right. Where is he? He? I'm gonna put this in just in case. Look. Okay, how long have I lasted? Okay, 5 AM. Okay, I think there's somebody in the vent. Yep. He's in the vent. Nope, nobody's in there. Okay, he's still there. I'm just gonna keep my eye on both of these vents. God, no! No, I'm glitching out. God, what have I just done? Crap! I got freaked out so that I quit the game. Okay, right, I'm gonna have to press on continue. So, I'm on my second night now. Okay, I don't know why I quit. That's quite stupid of me.
Hello?
Yeah?
I told you your first night wouldn't be a problem. You're a natural. By now I'm sure you've noticed the older models sitting in the back room. Those are from the previous location, and we just use them for parts now. The idea at first was to repair them. They even started retrofitting them with some of the newer technology. But they were just so ugly, you know? And the smell. So the company decided to just go in a whole new direction and make them super kid-friendly. Those older ones shouldn't be able to walk around, but if they do, the whole Freddy head trick should work on them too, so whatever. I love those old characters. Did you ever see Foxy the Pirate? Oh wait, Foxy. Oh yeah, Foxy. Hey listen, that one was always a bit twitchy.
Does this guy ever stop talking?
Will work on Foxy. If for some reason he activates during the night and you see him standing at the far end of the hall, just flash your light at him from time to time. Those older models would always get disoriented with bright light. It would cause a system restart or something. Come to think of it, you might want to try that on any room where something undesirable might be.
Okay.
You might hold him in place for a few seconds. That glitch might have carried over to the newer models too. One more thing. Don't forget the music box. I'll be honest, I never liked that puppet thing. It's always thinking, and it can go anywhere. I don't think the Freddy mask will fool it, so just don't forget the music box.
Oh, that's if I survive. Which I doubt. A lot. Okay, let's wind it up again. Second night, 1 AM. I only got to survive 6 hours, which is quite good. Okay, has anybody escaped? Crap, where are they? Oh shoot. Let me check the vents. Yeah? Okay. So guys, I gotta go. But I'll be back soon in the next video. Bye.